Hey guys, welcome to Ramdy's World. This is the other day I said this one's got no parts, so I'm gonna try to use the passenger side to the driver side, see if it works. My driver side, it's stuffed, it looks pretty bad. So yeah, I'll give you guys an update real soon. So yeah, got these seats, man, from Pick Apart. Didn't realize they have them, and I have to fix that, put it back together, and yeah, give it a groom and put them back on the back seat. Lucky me, finally found that seat. And then all I need is that driver's side to get repaired and look like new. So I came back and take out the seat cover. So you guys always have to remember this part goes in between, inside here, inside there, and there is the screw. So you have to unhook that before the plastic big cover. Yeah, this big piece. Otherwise, you're gonna break that. Okay. So we're doing the practice, but we might have to do the actual seat and not break anything. That's gonna be hard. But you do unhook this wire here, right down here. Unhook it. You can see it's a clip-on. Yeah, undo it, and then unclip these on top of here, and then unhook this over here. As you can see, it's used to be here. So we're gonna take the back seat off. See? Oh, not the back seat, the bottom piece. So it should be pretty straightforward. Should we take it off? Shut it. Oh shit. My toe.
Let's flip it over.
Yeah.
See how to get it.
I think it should be pretty straightforward, man. Wiggle it out. Thanks to that Matt, the gorilla, little gorilla, helped me out. Look, the new one. Oh, no, it's not new one. A good second-hand one. The driver side interchangeable. We're testing out. It actually fits, man. Oh yeah. Hell yeah. Oh yeah. It's clips. It's down the bottom for the spring. As you can see, that green stuff hook up to these ones here. Does that. And there's another two up there. So you guys have to be really careful or gentle with it. And then there's the seat. The seat, there is headrest. You see these two clips? It's actually quite hard to get it, but you might have to feel them out by hand, or if you've got long pliers, you maybe can press this and pull it out. Yep. So we have put all together. Everything's done, but we had to customize some of the what do you call that? The holes are for it. Yeah, on the side there and the other side, and then clip everything back. It came up quite nice. So give it a groom, and driver's side is all fixed, and that's the steel. Yeah, the other one, passenger side. Look at that. It's pretty mounted. Yeah, same as the other sides look pretty good, but there's a wear point. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you in the next video.